Hello, friends. Today we're putting our lips together to make the B sound. Can you go B? Great job! Once upon a time, a little boy named Ben was walking in the woods. Suddenly, he saw a beautiful butterfly. Can you say butterfly? You say butterfly. Then he spotted a bluebird. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Can you say bird? You say bird. Oh no! Ben saw a big bear. But don't worry, it was a friendly bear. At the end of the path, Ben found a busy bee. Can you say bee? Bee. What sound does a bee make? It says zzz. Great job! That's all for now. Bye-bye.